Hi everyone, my name is Kat. I'm a sophomore at App State. My major is nutrition with a concentration in dietetics. I'm originally from Western Maryland, but moved here to Asheville, which is about 2 hours away, over the summer. My dream job is to become a registered dietitian and open up my own business with clients that come in that I can refer them to a plant-based diet, which is something that I'm really passionate about. And this class will help me pursue that because I'll get to learn about more of the management side of things and learn new skills that I have not acquired yet. And some steps that I plan on taking after graduation from getting my bachelor's degree is to apply to and attend a master's program, participate in a 9 to 12 month internship, a dietetic internship, then to sit and pass the RD exam and continue to build my resume with starting a job that I have a passion for, and to reach my goal of having my own practice in the future, I'll probably also have to pursue a second degree in business, I'm pretty sure. I don't have a backup plan because it's really far off, and I want to get the feel of the major more. Since I'm only a sophomore, I haven't really had a ton of nutrition classes, so I'm just seeing where this year takes me and the next. And something unique about me is out of my whole immediate family, I'm the only one that has curly hair and green eyes.